What's your friends? Welcome back to another new video. Today we're gonna go plant shopping at a local big box store. It's been a hot minute since I've seen what this Lowe's had. So by the way, if you're new, hi, welcome to this Plenty channel. My name is David. We do a lot of Plenty content here, so if you enjoy that and also a lot of shopping videos, consider joining us on this crazy Plenty journey. And without any further ado, let's go plant shopping. Let's shopping! Backpack! So much like pest control stuff. The seeds aisle. Okay, honestly, I might. Oh, they got watermelon pepperonias. Oh, they had any shipment, Miss Girl. I might get one of these. These are so stupid expensive, but I want to get one so bad. Really cute bird's nest. What bird of paradise? Oh my god, they have. I mean, it doesn't look that, insane, but they got some cute stuff. Stop it, you guys. This is cute. Alocasias. And small little. That's so cute. Wait, they're almost sold out. We love that. Look at these begonias. Okay, God, I know I'm supposed to be going slow, but oh, these are different. How much are these? $15? These are so cute. I love the pot. Ooh, look at that leaf. So variegated. Ooh, it's so juicy. You guys, can y'all comment on making my boyfriend to keep posting on his channel? I swear to God, we want to see more of your videos. His collection looks so good too.
It got bigger too.
Yes, it did. So go spam those comments and tell him to keep posting. Cute little money tree.
If David's video gets
Oh, shut up! I swear to God.
in the first 24 hours,
Bitch, little. Oh my God, I said better word. I'm sorry.
if it gets 1,000 likes, then I'll
Ew.
continuously.
You do it because you love videos. You love
No,
making
I do like
content.
the videos. I just wanted to see if they would actually get there.
Yeah, that is so 2016. If this video gets 50 likes, I'm gonna go do this. This is cute. Look, do you saw this? They almost sold out.
Oh,
They have it in tiny little.
the thing is, I hate about these.
I know, but they're small though. They're small. They were in bigger pots.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these.
There's spider might love.
Yeah, that is true. Oh, ay, pardon, sorry.
Is that a fossil thing?
Girl, no, it's a Stockholm flowering, and
Oh,
I want to take it. But I'm getting better not buying stuff like plants, because I already have a lot of plants. I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed. But what I do want, what I do like, is one of these watering cans. It's really expensive,
It's unnecessary.
but I want to feel bougie when I'm watering my. Look at this, this is so freaking cute. I'm should I get the copper one? The gold. I mean, I know what I'm getting. I'm getting the gold, copper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna water my plants Go into the sink and just turn on the water. Stop, we're getting scared. Hey, pardon. I'm gonna get this one though. I swear to God. Cause we literally fight. We don't really fight. But we fight over the watering can sometimes. Are you done using it? I need to use it too. This is kinda cool too, Mira. You can walk somebody. I like it.
Stranger comes in. What's the hat?
What are you doing? I'm just watering my plants. Get closer. Boom, you whacked them with it. You were saying, boo?
No, because that was kind of good, but I feel like it's only good for maybe a bottle worth of water.
Yeah.
That's all it's probably good for.
Yeah.
And then that one right there, I mean, it's good if you have throw 4 plants, with that one.
Yeah.
But I prefer a more bigger watering can.
True.
It's much more better.
These are so cute. Looks like a snake. Those are
This is
cute.
the exact same thing that you got.
But from Dollar Tree for $1.99.
This is what? $16?
17, but yeah.
Oh heck no.
See, I want this, but I want it in small for my orchid. That's just, that's kind of cute. David got paid today, Miss Girl. But I don't like gray. It's so. But I do need a pot. I have one of those.
This reminds me of my childhood.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
The motor and pistol where they like, you know...
Motor and pistol.
That's what it's called.
For the cement thing?
Like the... You know where they grind up like the guacamole and all that?
Ah,
That's
see.
the motor and pistol.
Mm-hmm.
A pesto.
Yeah. I'm not even showing them the plants. Anyways, I mean, they enjoy it. They like it. I mean, literally guys is the same stuff, but it's experience that we love. I'm gonna go take a thumbnail with this. Okay. These are so... literally, this is one of my most loved plants. Like one of my longest wish list plants. But, damn, look at this one. But I don't know how to keep it alive. They die. They just rot. And it sucks. These are really big flowers. They're huge. I want to see they usually have like a really good clearing section para acá. Look at these ZZs.
I think one of the pepperonis is you just gotta like keep them like dry. Water them when they're dry.
See, I do
Make it
that,
more
but
reasonable.
they like start dropping leaves. But whenever I water it too much, it drops. I don't know. It's so confusing, and I just give up. Okay, let's go check outside. I didn't show them everything. I just feel so bad because like I'm just like ranting like an idiot. Look at this. But I'm not paying 20 for this. When they're on discount, they'll be $10. That's when I'll get one. I do want one though, but it's too expensive. These are so cute. But again, I killed these two. Teardrop pepperoni, no? Golden pepperoni. Cute little Syngonium. Maria. Beautiful Drancina. Wow. Limelight Drancina. Look at those fleur leaves. It looks really good in here. Really nice, really nice. Dieffenbachias. These are only for $13. Victoria Bird's Nest Ferns. Look at these. These look really good for $13, you guys. I love it. Usually I film a lot for like Instagram Reels, but I want to be exclusive with it right now. I keep sharing a lot of plant shopping videos, but yeah. And like, oh, look at this cute. I just know they have some good stuff outside. But I want to show, this is kind of cute. Little bromeliad. Bonsai. Yes, King. Yes. What an aesthetic, to be honest. Airplanes. I love airplanes. Such an underrated plant. Oh my god, I already have a bunch. I gotta do like a little video for y'all. Cute, very easy to look after too. Nice staghorn fern, golden pothos. A really sad neon photo that should be on discount, to be honest. Well, those look really good. Damn, look at this money tree. Usually these are like always rotting. Oh my god, Blue, look at this.
Money tree.
Oh, I miss mine. Flip it, how much is it?
$31.98.
I mean, that's not bad. If you have money, that is not a bad price. But I'm broke, so. I love ZZs. These are literally everywhere. I kind of like the vibe. It's like so jungly. Like, do you guys see that? Beautiful Brazil. If you don't have a Brazil, like, what are you doing? Like, these are the most easiest plants to look after, and like, they're just so beautiful. Like, literally pieces of art. Also super fun to propagate too. Beautiful Monstera. Look, I got his first little illustration. Whoa, you're pretty. Cute little pothos. Nice looking Birkins. Beautiful Calathea. Okay, let's go outside and see. Wow. And see what they have. I just know they got some plants on discount. Let's go. Ooh. So many pretty colors. You know, apenas me recordé. And the other Lowe's, there was the new shipments, ¿verdad? These are kind of cute. Okay. Oh, I feel like everything's already picked up. You gotta be fast. A bunch of plants de afuera. But I don't see. Ay, ching. But I don't see no house plants. It's really late. Little late night plant shopping. These big containers. River fern, potos, a yucca. It goes for $80. Oh, those are so big. I was expecting more. Those are some huge Boston ferns. Well, that's a shame. A little bit of a shame. Cool. I want to show them this. So this is new. We love little leaf shiner por acá. And their plant food, what's the difference? This is the one that I used, by the way. To put it for my mixture. These massive containers are Nimoyo, $35. $29. That looks so good and lush. And that's basically it, but to be honest, like, mucho lo mismo. I mean, it's always nice and refreshing to look a lot of plants, which is what I love about watching plant videos, but they're about to close, so I gotta wrap it up. A little bit bummed they didn't have like a huge selection of houseplants on discount. Like literally, like look at this. It looks so bad. It's so pretty. Alrighty, Pleasure friends, that is it for today. Thank you so much for going plant shopping with me and my boyfriend. By the way, make sure you go and subscribe to his channel. I will have it linked down below as well in the comment section, and go tell him, hey, where's the new video? And yeah, thank you. Like I said, thank you so much for joining me on today's new plant shopping video. And I did got something, but it was not a plant. I'm getting better not buying so many plants. I got no one. It was really expensive. It was like almost $30. Like literally, but I wanted to like treat myself, and I think this will last forever. So yeah, I literally love it so much. I don't know, I just like it. It's like so easy to like water the plants, and Yeah, I do have to refill it a lot, you know, because it has like a little bit of like a storage of water. But I don't mind the walking as long as I like the way it feels whenever I water my plants. I like that sound. It doesn't whenever like it needs more water, but I like his image. And actually, I'm really, really proud of myself that I did not bought a plant. I'm gonna water my global garden. The next thing that I do want to buy is more saucers, so I might go to Dollar Tree, because honestly Dollar Tree and then at the nice and store, they got some really good stuff, and I want to take you guys along. So if you don't want to miss those videos, consider joining us in this crazy planter journey by tapping the subscribe button down below. And yeah, thank you so much for going for a trip with me. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. I think it has like a really cute animation out, so yeah, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.